Sudoku friends, welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, May the 9th, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And we have also in this newspaper good news, an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Sudoku it's 0 stars, and this one has 2 stars. Sudoku has 26 printed digits. This one has 4 stars. Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, but with 10 printed digits. So this will be interesting for me for solving this puzzle. We have also a tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saifa block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. Hello. 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening, and these puzzles I'm not interested. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not all. Why? Because it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube here. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. And what's the news of today? Well, let me show you the front page. Tonight is the Eurovision Songcontest, yeah, and the Netherlands will be part of it. Yeah, last year Ukraine has won the Eurovision Songcontest, but it cannot be held in that country because it's there's a war there. Yeah. All right. Medium Sudoku. Number. This will be number 6406. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column maybe 3. Now only 3 places left. 1, 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. The 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. We have 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 8 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column? So the column between in the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then, let me see. How about, yeah, come on. Well, 1. Come on. I need to think. 6. We have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. 9. Okay. Alright. 4. 4. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4. So we need a 4 here. 4 here. 4 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column. 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, so the column there. There are only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Alright. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2. 2 and 1, okay. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Yeah. 5, 6, and the 9 are missing here. Well. The 9. Come on. The 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the last row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there, and I've eliminated 8, so the 8 goes at there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next to that column. There are only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. 5 and the 2 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 2 should be there. Let me see now. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then. 1. You need a 1 there. 1. Okay. Now about the 6. 2 numbers left. 6 and 3. Wait, 1, 2, 6 and a 7. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah. We have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 2 goes there. 5, 5, 5, 5. 2. Right. 2, 2. 4 and the 7. 1 and the 7. Let me see. 7. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 1, 1, 1. 5, 5. Do we have all the 8? No. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so no row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. I can count, yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. White. 2, no, 7 and the 6. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. Yes, 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so no row between. Middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 7 and the 2. 7 and a 2. 7 and a 2. Let me think. 2 and a 7. No. 7 and a 6. 6. Yeah. 6. Here we have a 6. There we have a 6. Here we have a 6. 6. Alright. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 5 should be there. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 6, 7. Still need a 4 there. 6, 4, 6. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. We have here 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Okay. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Alright. Here also two missing numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and the 7 in these two boxes. 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So another pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the first row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 4. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, 2 in the row above. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And I can count, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 and the 7, we have a 1 now in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in the middle row for number, I believe the 7, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, yeah, 7 is missing, 7 and 6. In the first row, we have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 1 there. No. 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Wow, not faster than 15 minutes. Wow. Let me give this a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah, it's a 2 stars. 2 stars. Need to be faster than 20 minutes. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, have a great and fantastic Tuesday. See you in the evening. Bye bye for now.